Beyond regular classes, what have you been doing to help your students take their art form to next level?
Hmm. So the way we grew, what was happening was we were doing many collaborations and projects that kept happening, even with local dance teachers coming together, and so that set a good example for students, not just in Kathak but other local schools as well. Whether it was Bharatanatyam, Kathak, Odissi, Kuchipudi, I remember all of us came together and we demonstrated that there was more to do beyond classes. So I think that gave a good perspective for students as we took this further. While that was happening, because of all these collaborations, another Kathak teacher in the valley at that time, Alma and I, we got very close, and she decided to merge her school with Kala Kendra. So we grew overall. We had a very solid staff. Rachna decided to join, and so we were able to, as a bigger staff, we were able to get more things and more avenues presented to our Kathak students, right? Many new concepts. We started our annual gala where students were able to uh, present their theory project showcase in a very innovative format. Again, something where they will continue to have that interest, but theory necessarily is not all that interesting. So we made it in a presentation format where they could talk about it in our gala presentation. So that was one area. We also gave them a lot of opportunities with workshops. I think that is a big thing for, and I keep recommending that to students, to say, hey, yes, there's always the teacher and you can always keep learning, but go and grow beyond that too, right? So we started introducing guest artists who came from all over. We had Hemanji and Vaishali ji coming from Canada. We had Prashant Shah coming from New York. So we had all of these things going. I think that helped a lot. I remember that was also the time when the girls started getting very interested suddenly in performing. I think that was happening as a result of all these different things we introduced. And so they kept getting busy with performances. We were constantly churning out new choreographies. I remember the most performed choreography was Chaturang. So it all came together well. That was a very good time for us overall. We were growing, and I could definitely see with all these different tactics that we were employing, students were able to build their trajectory, like you said, beyond regular classes, and that kept their interest going.